Meta just open-sourced something that should make you think carefully. HyperAgents, self-referential, self-improving agents that can optimize for any computable task. The agent writes code to solve a problem, tests it, evaluates the results, then rewrites its own approach to perform better, and it keeps looping. This isn't prompt engineering or fine-tuning. This is an agent that literally modifies its own strategy based on what worked and what didn't. Published as a research paper on arXiv, built in Python, works with OpenAI, Anthropic, and Gemini. Let me show you what Meta built. HyperAgents is a framework from Meta's Facebook AI Research Lab for building agents that optimize themselves. The core idea is self-referential self-improvement. You give the system a task, any computable task, and it generates an approach, executes it, evaluates how well it worked, and then modifies its own strategy to do better on the next iteration. The key innovation is that the agent doesn't just try different parameters. It rewrites its own code. The Meta agent looks at what the task agent produced, identifies weaknesses, and generates a new version of the task agent with different logic. This is recursive optimization. Agents improving agents. The paper calls them self-referential because the system's output is a better version of itself. It's built in Python, requires Python 3.12, and supports multiple LLM backends through API keys for OpenAI, Anthropic, and Gemini. HyperAgents by Meta. Self-referential, self-improving AI agents that rewrite their own code to get better at any task. The Meta agent evaluates what the task agent produced, identifies weaknesses, and generates a completely new version with different logic. Each iteration scores higher. The agent directory has OpenAI, Anthropic, and Gemini integration. Domain implementations define the problems. The ensemble module combines the best versions. This is recursive optimization. The search space is code itself, not parameters. Published on arXiv with full experiment logs. Python 3.12. Run it in a sandbox. It executes untrusted model-generated code. Full video in description. Here's how the loop works step by step. The task agent receives a problem, a computable task in a specific domain. It generates code to solve that problem. The code runs in a sandbox and produces results. The Meta agent then evaluates those results against the objective. Based on the evaluation, the Meta agent generates a new version of the task agent. Not just new parameters, but new code with different logic, different algorithms, different approaches. The new task agent runs the same problem and produces new results. The Meta agent evaluates again, and the cycle repeats. Each iteration, the task agent gets better at the specific problem. The ensemble module can combine multiple task agent versions for even better performance. This is fundamentally different from traditional optimization, because the search space is code itself. The agent explores algorithmic approaches, not just parameter values. The architecture has 4 key components. First, the Meta agent. This is the brain that evaluates performance and generates improved task agents. It uses a foundation model through the agent directory's integration code. Second, the task agent, the worker that executes domain-specific code generated by the Meta agent. Third, the domain implementations. These define the specific problems to optimize for, providing evaluation metrics and execution environments. Fourth, the ensemble module. This combines multiple task agent versions, potentially using the best elements from different iterations. The generate loop orchestrates everything, running iterations until the improvement plateaus or hits a configured limit. The whole system executes model-generated untrusted code, which is why Meta includes a critical safety notice. Destructive behavior is possible due to model limitations. Running HyperAgents requires Python 3.12 and some system dependencies, GraphViz, CMake, and Ninja. Create a virtual environment, install the requirements, configure your .env file with API keys for OpenAI, Anthropic, or Gemini. You need at least one provider. Run the setup script, then launch with Python generate loop.py with your chosen domain. The outputs go to an outputs directory by default. Docker is also an option if you don't want to install system dependencies locally. The experiment logs from Meta's paper are included as compressed archives if you want to analyze their results rather than running your own. This is research code. Expect to read the scripts to understand the full argument options. Meta's own documentation includes a critical warning. The system executes model-generated untrusted code. While destructive behavior is unlikely under current conditions, it's possible due to model limitations. This is honest and important. When you have an agent that can rewrite its own code and execute it, The attack surface is fundamentally different from a chatbot. The code runs with whatever permissions your Python environment has. There's no built-in sandbox. If the meta agent generates code that deletes files or makes network calls, it will execute. This is research code, not production software. Run it in containers or VMs. Don't give it access to sensitive systems. And understand that self-improving agents are an active area of AI safety research. Meta publishing this openly is valuable precisely because the safety community needs to study these systems. HyperAgents is available on GitHub under a Creative Commons non-commercial license. Paper on arXiv, links in the description. Subscribe to Prism Labs for more AI research breakdowns every week. See you in the next one.